My name is Jennifer Drinkwater, and I am from Ames, Iowa. So I did a small painting. It's called Pine Lake Honky Tonk, and it is kind of a culmination of images from Pine Lake State Park, which is in Eldora. And I superimposed a picture of 2 Civilian Conservation Corps volunteers on top of one of the WPA cabins that they built from the 30s. I had been part of the 20 Artists, 20 Parks project with the Iowa Arts Council and the DNR, and had worked with Park Ranger Andy Place, and he is sort of like the de facto historian for Pine Lake State Park, and he gave me all sorts of images and old photos. And then I went to the CCC Museum in Eldora, and they actually had a ton of really cool archived information. You know, you hear about the CCC and you know the impact that they had on a lot of the projects, or at least like sort of an abstract view of like, oh, they've had a huge impact in America, but just what they've done for state parks across the nation, and especially in Iowa, is amazing. And just how it brought people back to work, and I feel like it's such a great model for economic development, and also like individual human revitalization, giving people purpose, that maybe we should take that into account now. 98% of Iowa has been altered by humans, right? Like, we are the most altered state. Physically, geographically, all of that, geologically, and I find that fascinating because you can think about the culture of that, and every place in Iowa, except for 2%, has been touched by humanity. And so how can the layers of what we see kind of in the world and what we see in the landscape, what are the stories behind that?